And a good day, ladies and gentlemen, from Looping Through Life, back at it again today. Yet again, another spooky season event here today at Slaughter Camp. Pounce Camp is the official name of the haunt. It's ran by Crasher Mansion, the people who used to, it's the same group who I went to about 5 years ago that actually had the mansion on Staten Island. Unfortunately, that mansion's been sold, and the people that bought it don't want to do any more Halloween things. So they found a new field, a new place to put on their hayride that they used to do there for years. So I'm going to go here and check it out. Looking greatly forward to yet another, my fourth hayride this Halloween season. As always, guys, this is your first time to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Welcome to Slaughterhouse, New York. Welcome to Looping Through Life. At Crasher Mansion. It used to be every Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now it's every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Admission 7 p.m. to midnight. So there's an age limit on it, actually. No cash only, no refunds. That's a line. I do the fast pass option though. I think it's better. Here, Rob Zombie in the background. Got my ticket in hand. Got the fast pass option for the haunt. I'm gonna skip this little bit of a queue. Now, there's a no filming sign, but you know me, I'm going to sneak as much as I can. Let's go, guys. Alright, as arrived.
Riding with you lovely victims, I mean customers this evening. Alright. As you see, we are now on a moving hayride. That means please remain seated for the entire experience. Alright, I do not want to have to scrape you guys off of my set at the end of the night. Please remain seated. Sound good? Alright. So, in your friend group or with your loved ones, who do you think would be the first person to go in a horror movie? And point. I'm already dividing you guys. I love this. This is great. Really weed out the weak ones to improve your chance of survival.
He should be sacrificed first. It's his birthday.
But I love mine bloody rare. There will be no...
Oh, we got a friend here. Hi, friend. Hello. Hey. Let's go down with the hayride portion of that. Yeah, it was strict no filming whatsoever. You can see some scenes though. You have a cool scene there. Yeah, they had a camp counselor in person with you on the hayride, so yeah, they were definitely in strict no forcing. People are getting scared by a chainsaw here. And sorry, you really can't see me that well, but just got through the spook house portion of it, and they spike you through 6 people at a time. And it was really interactive. And I like how they space you through just the 6 people. They had all these different scenes. Oh yeah, they are chasing people here. I love it. Yeah, they bring you to different scenes. And it's very interactive in the sense that they give you a story per scene. And each room takes about 2 to 3 minutes as you go through it. Very well done. I thoroughly enjoyed that. As far as the hayride compared to their old hayride, I definitely feel like the other location was better. But yeah, that was excellently done. Great job here at the Crasher Manor and the Scream team. That was chef's kiss. Hell yeah, beautiful. And they had this wonderful refreshment area you come to after the haunt. They have a bunch of different tricks and treats for sale. A lot less crowded now than it was. Just some slushies, candy apples, fresh popcorn, do some Uncrustables, it's a brain, hot pretzels, really cool. Then they have this little path you can take down here this way, and it's some kind of like meat hut, the guy was telling me. There's the hayride. The hayride essentially takes you around the whole encompass of the camp. And then you just see the scenes back there where they blast the music. That's really all the hayride is. There is a portion where you walk off the hayride and get back on towards that end of it. But yeah, no, that was one hell of a job. That was beautifully done. And they had this path you could walk up here and come to the snack stand and get different meats. This guy said it was a meat shed, so I had a small grill going, so I guess like burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. Very cool. But yeah, that's one of the two. They have two actual hay rides. As far as physical, actual moving parts are concerned. Yeah. My only grievance with this place, though, it's very much, you come in, you get your ticket, you're in a line. There's not much of a chill area. You know, you do the honk kind of, you come and get a snack, and then you leave. It's set up for that one experience. Altogether, it was about an hour experience, so a good hour for a Halloween haunted attraction is definitely well worth it for me in my book. Like I said, unfortunately, I couldn't show you much of actually in the attraction, and some places are cool like that, and some places are actually easier to sneak filming, as you've seen from some of my POVs in the past before as well. Yeah. And my best friend's wedding next weekend, so unfortunately I'm thinking this is my last Halloween attraction of the season. Maybe I can squeeze in one Halloween weekend, who the heck knows. And that's going to be a wrap today, guys. Coming here from the Kreischer Mansion Haunt Experience. What a thrilling and exhilarating fun time that was. Great hayride. Not my favorite of the season. The favorite of the season definitely goes to the sleigh ride, just because of the sheer fun and joy and excitement over a Field of Terror. But yeah, no, great hayride. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful spook house. Probably my favorite top spook house of the season for sure, definitely. As always, guys, if it's your first time to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next time.